Alright, welcome back to another episode of We Rebuildz. Today, what we got going on is we are going to try to see if we could remove all the good pieces that we need off this 2018 Audi A5. So we have a whole bunch of parts to remove. All I'm doing is removing all the good parts because remember, we only have this car as a salvageable car where we're just going to basically strip it apart and then just basically sell whatever we could sell and whatever. But I just basically bought this car just to scrap it. But anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to check us out on every single social media link, and don't forget to make sure you share this video. Make sure you like the video, okay? And always remember, haters are our biggest fans, so don't forget that, and they're our biggest motivators as well. But anyways, what we're gonna do is start to hop on this 2018 Audi A5. So we're gonna hop straight into that. So let's get straight into it. So what we got done is we took out everything from in here, the whole liner. And then while we looked at all the damaged pieces back here, you can see all the damaged pieces. So we know that this is damaged. I'll kind of loosen this bolt. It's a 20 millimeter that you used to take the bolt off the top, but I still can't get it off. But we still have this mat right here, so it can't scratch the epoxy floor. But we're gonna stop right here. We're gonna put the wheel back on. Once we put the wheel back on, we're gonna move up top because we need to finish working on up top. That's a little trick my dad taught me. So he's a mechanic, he's the real mechanic. I'm just the knockoff version. Yeah, but he's the real mechanic, I'm just the knockoff version. But he's the one that taught me that to use a crowbar or a breaker bar and put under it and then put the tire on. Alright, so you know, there's probably some of the pieces inside of this is probably bent. Alright, so just gonna leave that there. All I'm trying to do is remove this, and then we're basically done for the night once I remove this. I don't know why it doesn't want to come out. Man, the other one went so smooth. This looks like it doesn't want to go nowhere. Because see, we have basically everything lift up, ready to go. I don't know what's the issue that we are having. $10mm. Get that off. And then we should be able to. This piece looks like it's glued on. or have some adhesive on it. Once that is off, you should be able to start. Alright. So that is one. We have the other side to make it two. See all this, so much dirt and whatever that is. I don't know, it looks like they left the car underneath a tree or something. So this is the last thing. I'm trying to take it off and still no luck. So we finally got this other windshield wiper blade off the car. So now all we're gonna do is we basically have everything loosened from what y'all see. I think there's like should be like some type of clip. Yeah, because technically this piece like slides into this little clip piece thing, I want to say. And this is it. It's finally off, not broken. So that is a good thing that it came off not broken, because this could go on the S5. So we're gonna set it over here on the part where we're putting everything up for the S5. Alright, so you got to see all the stuff that we end up pulling off the car. We've got the windshield wiper is off, so we could get to that plastic piece that holds we just get to that plastic piece that covers all of this stuff up top. So it is over there. We are going to put that on the Audi A5. That's another part. All these little miscellaneous plastic pieces that run along the inside of the hood that were still good, we are going to take those parts too. And then you see how we end up getting the whole reinforcement bar off, and then we saw that the fan was good. So we got a whole bunch of stuff done today. So, and that is good. It's a big push on this Audi A5. I'm not trying to push into it too deep, but I'm also trying to get some of the parts ready, so when we're getting ready to go on the East Coast to fix that S5, hey, we have everything that we need. So anyway, without further ado, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Don't forget to just check us out on every single social media link. Hey, the Rebuildz Rebuildz.com website will be coming back soon. So don't worry about it. I'm just trying to get things streamlined first. Hey, I'm happy that we got this car in here, and now we're just doing a whole bunch of stuff. Make sure your post notifications are on, because if that's not on, you won't see when we do a live, you won't see when we drop our YouTube shorts, and you won't see when you get regular videos from us. Okay, so just make sure you hit that bell icon and make sure you click all, so you get notifications of everything. If you love our videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like the videos, hit that thumbs down button. Hey, and If you need to let me know something, put it in the comment section. Let me know what I need to work on. But anyways, thank y'all. Stay positive, stay motivated. I really appreciate y'all. And guess what? Our haters are always our biggest motivators. So make sure you share this video to them, because I bet they're gonna cry as well. But anyways, I'll catch you in the next one.